All right, it's time to go grocery shopping. We're gonna go to Sprouts, right? Stuff to make our breakfast. Hey, we're at Sprouts. Kyle, you ready to go grocery shopping? We got a lot of stuff to get on our list. I don't know if we have time.
Yes, we do have time. Time to transform.
Going in. We're going shopping?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Gotta look for cars. Good job. Morning. Go get a cart. What do you think, Kyle? I'm following you, Ryan. All right, Flash. We're gonna go this way. It's Flash. Look at Flash. Don't hit anything. Should we get our list out?
Where?
Should we get a list out of my pocket?
No.
To look and see what we need? I think I remember. We need eggs. Let's go find eggs.
Yeah.
All right.
Go find some eggs.
Blakey, you gonna find any eggs?
Yeah, he's shopping. Let's see. Ryler, we can go back to...
Okay. Let's look for cage-free, organic. Okay. Let's get that one right there.
This one?
Yeah. No. That's. Take it with two hands. Two hands. There you go.
It's chocolate milk egg.
Chocolate milk eggs.
We're putting it in our cart.
Yeah, let's put them down here. All right, what's the next thing? Bread?
Bread.
Okay.
They want.
What? You wanna put your mask on? Oh yeah. All right, go that way. You pushing Bubba? Are you pushing Blakey? Watch out, watch where you're pushing. Watch where you're pushing.
Now what do we need next?
Keep going, go over there, we're going to get bread.
May! May!
Are you Mr. Incredible? Are you Mr. Incredible?
No!
No? Okay.
No ball.
Who are you?
No ball, no ball.
Oh, you're Kyle?
No, yeah, I purple.
Oh, okay.
I purple, me.
We're at the bread. Look at all the bread. This is how it can get confusing, right?
I'm mine.
So we eat gluten-free bread, but not everybody has to eat gluten-free. But you should eat non-GMO bread, so that we know it's organically grown. No, that's not. No, I don't think so. Put it back. There's some gluten-free bread. Rather open that up and get that yellow one out. Yeah. Most of the time, gluten-free bread is in the refrigerated section at the store. Keeps it fresher longer. How many lemons do we have to get?
4.
Okay.
More. And then more. Cold. And then
Okay, buy oranges.
More.
No, we don't need more.
Let's go find the grapes. Cotton candy grapes.
That's watermelon.
Oh, wow.
No more. There's more.
Oh, here we go. Here's grapes. All right, put them in.
Now we got some cotton candy grapes.
Those are healthy for you.
Yeah. And now I just need one more thing. Sweet potato. I might have to go pee daddy again. Told you we had time.
All right, good trip. We got everything we need. Let's go home and make flash breakfast. We're gonna do the lemon challenge.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can see me in the kitchen making a flash breakfast using today's shopping list.